Okay, we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge. That was a really lame entrance, but whatever. Fill my thing up with cinnamon. Damn it.
We got the water.
Well, it's actually cinnamon sugar because I don't have any actual cinnamon. Hopefully it still is the same, but...
Okay, close enough.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Thank you, Jenna Marbles, for
I feel like this is a very bad idea.
Probably is.
Okay. Don't be so close to my camera. I don't want you to spew shit all over it. Okay.
1, 2, 3. I can't do it. Okay.
Hold on. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I did it without coughing! Aw, yeah, suck my dick. Aw, yeah. I successfully just did the cinnamon challenge without coughing. You mad? You mad, internet? You don't have anybody to troll over? I feel accomplished. I feel really accomplished. Ew, you spit all over my floor. Look at that. Look at that.
It's all in my hair.
It's fucking disgusting.
It's all in my hair.
You mad I didn't get sick, Laura? You mad?
Well, I didn't puke, but it was pretty dang gross.
Fuck, cat, get out. You weren't allowed to go outside. Stupid cat.
That was pretty fucking gross.
That was disgusting, but I feel really accomplished that I didn't puke. Do I get to win a prize or something?
No.
I think I should. Okay, I'm gonna try this out.